So here we have this Ulody gaming chair. Now in this video, I'm gonna unbox it, put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Alright, and here's everything that came with it. Of course, it has a pack of hardware to put it together and an instruction manual. So let's go ahead and put this thing together, and I'm gonna time it to see how long it takes. Alright, there we go, it's all put together. That was pretty easy. Took just under 14 minutes. It has a nice sturdy aluminum base, single piece, made it easier to put together. Cheap plastic casters. The one I got has this breathable fabric covering. It has a nice thick cushion. It's also plenty wide enough. There's also some cushioning on the armrests, but they're pretty thin, they don't do much. I'm not a big fan of this lumbar support pillow though. It's a little bit too big for my preference, and it doesn't have any straps to hold it on. Anyway, there's also this pillow at the top. It's strapped on, but again, not the best. It is pretty comfortable, but the top of the headrest is a little bit low for me, and there's not much cushioning on it, so it is a little bit hard. Anyway though, of course there's a lever to adjust the height, and then if you pull the second lever, you can lean back in the chair. It's actually pretty comfortable, nice way to relax. You can also pull out the footrest if you want to put your legs up. Again, nice and comfortable. So yeah, it's not my favorite gaming chair. I do have a few issues with it, but overall, it's not terribly expensive, and it's pretty comfortable.